Hey there, this is your Avon Lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 23 of 2018. And really, like I saw this item on the cover here at our national conference called Rep Fest in July, and I could not wait to get my hands on this. It comes in both a Christmas tree and an angel, and it is just gorgeous. And hopefully, yeah, you can see all of the glitter swirls around and the lights change. And it's just such a pretty piece. And it's got almost kind of like crystal on the outside, the way that it's cut. So it's a beautiful piece. Nice heavy base if you've got a home with like pets or kids and you worry about stuff being knocked over. And it is plastic, not glass. It does kind of look like glass. So nice and sturdy, good thing to have in a holiday decoration. Again, if you've got fur babies or little ones around so they can't knock it over. Nice heavy base on that. Just seriously gorgeous piece. I could sit here and look at it all day. So that's, of course, as you might have figured out, the holidays are here in campaign 23. And that's just some of the beautiful decor that we have coming out in campaign 23. And of course, it's time for gifts. Our winter soft gift sets that have been very popular last year. We have our regular Avon winter soft that we've had for years, also the vanilla and the lavender. And those are definitely big hits here around my house. Some of the holiday gift type things that we've been missing, we've got these adorable Christmas trees with the shower gel in them. So fun gifts for like hostess gifts, something to give to your manicurist, your hairdresser, your mailman, kids, teachers, just all sorts of, all those, people that you want to give a little gift to. These are fun, lots of fun, cute little gifts in there. For the makeup lovers on your list, we have a couple of palettes and a selection of this is the Glimmer Sticks Diamonds eyeliners. We also have a little highlighter palette, and my favorite, I absolutely love every color in this. It's an eyeshadow palette with a nice kind of retro Avon on the front. It's very, very 70s to me. I really like that. And there's the colors. A lot of very pinky browns, which are very good colors that are flattering on most skin tones. A couple of deeper shades for doing a smoky eye or a liner, and just a lot of great neutral palette with a little bit of fun and sparkle in it. And it comes in this lovely box. It's already even kind of got a bow on it. It's got the kind of raised texture bow there. So all you got to do is cover this up with your to from tag, and it's ready to give. And I love a lot of our boxed gift sets or our holiday type items intended to be gifts will come in boxes like this, so they make things really easy. They're already gift boxed, so you can either wrap them, like if you are, like some people I know like to have all of the gifts under the tree kind of color coordinated with all the same paper, or like in my family we have a big family gathering with the extended family, and then we have a smaller gathering with just the four of us, my husband and my daughters and I. And so we do different paper for the two occasions to make it easier to figure out what needs to come out of the tree for the family gathering. So lots of stuff to make life, easier with your holiday gift giving. I love these adorable sweaters. One is got the reindeer, one has the word joy, and I have the joy sweater here. And I will show you in just a moment. I did do a picture with it on, so you can kind of see how it looks on, which is probably why the hem is folded up. I probably did that when I took it off. The joy is, it's kind of like a silver metallic. There's silver thread, so it's stitched into the sweater. It's not on top of the sweater, and it's just kind of got a tinsel look to it. So very, very cute. And then this is how the sweater looks on. Looks great with jeans, would go great with some a fun skirt for the holidays or some black pants. Just a very versatile holiday sweater. Next up, we have the Baby It's Cold Outside pajamas. Nice, super soft fabric on the pants. Just a nice long sleeve knit for the shirt. And the pants have pockets. Those of you who've been watching my videos for a while know how much I love pockets, especially in loungewear in case I need to carry my phone around the house for some reason. We also have the Fair Isle slippers, which of course they had in purple, so you know I had to get a pair. Super soft on the inside, nice fluffy soft, and it does have like a memory foam in the insole, so it will kind of mold to your foot and be super comfortable. So it's got the nice knit upper, and this is the purple, and then it also comes in a light gray. So those are super nice slip-in slippers there. And they've got a pretty hard sole on them, so good if you want them to be an indoor-outdoor type slipper as well. And let's see, next up we have, these beautiful pendants. Lots of variety in color and in shape. I bet you can't guess which one I got. I got the purple, and it's a cushion cut. And see if we kind of see let's give this a different approach there. And it's got the pave stones around the outside of the square and on the little extra piece. I don't actually know what that's called, the part that it hangs off the chain from. And so we do have we have the 6 different necklaces, the opalesque, the purple, the kind of a rose gold tone, Star of David, an aquamarine, a red, and a blue. And for 4 of those, for the aquamarine, the purple, the red, and the opalesque, we have earrings as well. They're not exactly the same shape, but you know, you can mix and match your pieces a little bit there. So you can either go with the same shape or go with the same color and mix those up that way. Let's see, next up we have another outfit. And again, when I saw this one at RepFest, I knew I had to have it. This is just a fun party outfit. It's a very kind of flirty, flowy skirt. It's got it's got a solid layer underneath and a very flowy feel to it. And I will show you that skirt set. So here's the sweater to that set. It is kind of a heavy sweater, so there'll only be a few days here in Vegas that I'll be able to use it, that it'll be cold enough. It's got kind of a high neckline on it, and there's some, you can see little gems in the print as well. But just a really fun sweater. It's got ribbed cuffs and bottom, but it still hangs pretty straight, as you saw in the picture. And then this is the skirt. Has an elastic waistband, very comfortable, nice wide waistband. That's always good for comfort as well, so it doesn't dig in as much. But you've got the kind of soft, solid underskirt, and then a double layer of tulle on the top. So it does give it a nice, fun, flowy look. It's kind of skirt you like to spin around in a little bit. So that's that fun holiday outfit. Goes great with some silver sparkly shoes or some black flats, black heels. It would be really fun with a red pair of shoes. You know, just throw on some red heels if you have those, would be super cute. Or even if you wanted to pick up some of the pink in the sweater, if you have some really fun color shoes there. Let's see, I think that's all I have to show. Last but not least, of course, is the A box for this campaign. And this is the first A box featuring our new Hydrofusion line. You have a travel size of our Hydrofusion gel cream, and the vitamin C serum, a travel size of our daily scrub, and a snowy shimmer pin, which is an A box exclusive. So this A box is a $30 value. Of course, you get it for only $10 with any $40 purchase from campaign 23. So that's all for this campaign. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.